Good afternoon, children. I welcome you. I welcome again. I am very happy to meet you in this video. Today we are going to see some book answer and also classwork questions. Okay. All of you take out book page number 11. Take the correct option. First question: the process of change of solid state into liquid state at particular temperature is called melting. Answer B. Second, the temperature at which gaseous state changes into liquid state at standard pressure is called dash liquefaction point. Then third question: total mass of reactants and total mass of products in a chemical reaction according to the law of conservation of mass remains equal. Answer D. Fourth question: state of matter having high compressibility and a negligible force of attraction between particles is dash gas. Answer 4A. The state of matter which exists at a very low temperature is dash. Answer D. Okay, BEC. Okay, did you mark this answer, children? Okay, we will go to see the next one. Okay, children, all of you take page number 12. Fill in the blanks. My first question: matter is defined as anything that occupies dash and has dash, that occupies space and has mass. Okay. Then my second question: matter is classified as solid, liquid and gas on the basis of dash properties, physical properties. PHYSICAL. Then the question: the state of matter existing at a very high temperature is plasma. PLASMA, plasma. Fourth question: the particles of matter are always in a dash motion, constant motion. CONSTANT, constant motion. Then the force of attraction between particles of a dash is maximum, while between particles of a dash is minimum. The force of attraction between particles of a gases is maximum, GASES, while between particles of the solids, SOLIDS, solids is minimum. Okay, we will see next. Okay, children, write true or false for each statement. First question: gases have maximum density and rigidity. True. Second question: mass cannot be created but can be destroyed during a chemical reaction. False. Third question: temperature at which liquid changes into vapor is its boiling point. True. Matter can be changed from one state to another only by changing the temperature. True. Heat and electricity are considered as matter. False. Okay, children. Next we will see the match the following. Okay, thank you. Now listen, match the following. You put the number 3, 1, 4, 5, 2. Now we will match gaseous state to liquid state, liquefaction; solid state to gaseous state, sublimation; liquid state to gaseous state, vaporization; solid state to liquid state, liquefaction; liquid state to solid state, solidification. Okay. The next answer the following questions in brief. Okay. Okay, children, answer the following question in brief. Define. First question: define matter. Matter is anything that occupies space, has mass and can be perceived by our senses. Right, fast, children. You take work, classwork note. Already you have separated the one classwork into 3 parts. Yes, one for chemistry, one for physics and one for chemistry. Okay, chemistry, physics and biology. 3 for one note. One note divided it into 3 parts. One used for physics, one part used for physics, one part used for chemistry, one part used for biology. Okay, did you write before? I forgot. Okay, if you are not writing, first you write lesson 1 and lesson name, then answer the following. Okay, children, I think you have not written. This is the first class for you. Okay, write it neatly. Define the following. The first one, did you write? Second, condensation, the process of change of state of a substance from its gaseous to liquid state at a particular temperature. The process of change of state of a substance from its gaseous to liquid state at a particular temperature. Okay, we will see the next question. Now listen, children. This is fusion. Answer: the process of change of a solid substance into its liquid state on observing heat at a particular temperature. The process of change of solid substance into its liquid state on observing heat at a particular temperature. Okay. Next, freezing. Next one, freezing. Get ready. Okay. Now, define freezing. The process of change of matter from liquid to the solid state at a particular temperature. The process of change of matter from liquid to the solid state at a particular temperature. Okay. The next, evaporation. The process of conversion of the substance from the liquid state to its vapor state. The process of conversion of a substance from the liquid state to its vapor state. Okay, children, write fast. Now listen, children. Solidification. Define solidification. The process of change of matter from the liquid to the solid state. That is, solid is given. That is what solid. Solid. S-O-L-I-D. Solid state at a particular temperature. Okay, children. Write fast, children. Write fast. Okay. Now next question. Answer the following question in brief. Second question. Now state the law of conservation of mass. State the law of conservation of mass. Write this question fast. Write this question fast. The law of conservation of mass states that mass is in an isolated system is neither created nor destroyed by chemical reaction. According to the law of conservation of mass, the mass of the products in a chemical reaction must equal to the mass of reactants. The law of conservation of mass states that mass in an isolated system is neither created nor destroyed by chemical reaction. According to the law of conservation of mass, the mass of the products in a chemical reaction must equal to the mass of reactants. Okay, children, did you write? Okay. We will go to the next question. Okay, listen. Fourth question. Third question. The molecular formulas are there, so cannot be typed. That's why I'm not given the answer. If you are coming, when you come back to school, I will give the answer. Okay, children. This is very easy. I will explain you. If you know the answer, that is good. Okay. Now, on the basis of kinetic energy, explain. Fusion. Answer: particles gain energy. Intermolecular attraction decreases. Intermolecular space between the molecules of solid increases. Write fast, children. Write fast. Write neatly. Now, solidification. Particles lose energy. Intermolecular attraction increases. Intermolecular space between molecules of liquid decreases. Particles lose energy. Intermolecular attraction increases. Intermolecular space between molecules of liquid decreases. Write fast, children. Okay. Today we are going to complete. Okay. Next, one more question is there. You write fast, children. Okay. The next question. Draw a schematic diagram to show the interconversion of states of matter. Draw a schematic diagram to show the interconversion of states of matter. You see that it is in this interconversion of matter is in your book. You see that page number 7. It is on interconversion states of matter. You can use your book, otherwise you can use this. Okay, this is right. You have to draw well and also mark those write those process also. Okay, children. Okay, then today we will complete now. We will meet again. Okay, children, write all these questions and study them. Okay, whatever you are writing in the classwork now, you must study them. Okay, everybody. Okay. Then homework I will give you now. Homework. This lesson 1 you make any 10, choose the correct answer. From lesson 1 you make any 10, choose the correct answer. Okay, children, this is your homework. Okay. Thank you.